In this tutorial, you will be shown how to set up a spam filter for Outlook. Start Outlook. There are specific options to customize your junk mail folder, but if you want to create a specific filter, then you are going to need to create a rule. In this example, we have been getting lots of spam about something called the New Funds Conference, so we want to send these straight to the spam folder. Find one of these spam emails and right-click on it. In the menu that appears, navigate to Rules, and then click on Create Rule. The Create Rule window will appear and you will be able to customize what elements of the email trigger the filter. In this example, we are going to filter by subject, specifically anything that mentions new funds. You can also easily filter by sender as well. At the bottom of the window, click on the Move the item to folder checkbox, and in the window that appears, click Junk Email and click OK. Click OK in the dialog box that appears. That is how to set up a spam filter for Outlook, and all further emails that have new funds in the subject will be automatically sent to the junk folder.